everybody has their thing. You know, their wife might not be struggling with a disease they don't understand, but you're struggling with a client you don't understand that just wrecked your work. That emotionally can throw you off just as much as a bad day at home. Your kid dealing with something at school, like that can throw you off just as much as my kid having Down syndrome and me not understanding like what's the right environment for that kid to go to school. And so I think the very degrees of chaos that we sometimes can tell ourselves is an excuse to like not perform is a trap. And so I think like I just chose not to believe the trap that my chaos was worse than anybody else's. And I just said, you know what? I've got a purpose and I have to figure out a way to survive. And so I'm going to just take one step towards that purpose every day and keep going as much as I possibly can and realize that like the excuse of everything else around it, it is just that. Like, so that chaos can't really be my excuse. And then I would also just say like, I could have done better. Like I can look back at it and go, man, I could have done even more. There's things I know I should have done. And I probably would have been further along had I done some of those things. So I can look back in this season now and go like, I don't have an excuse. I'm going to definitely have to be doing those things.